Oh shit, my bad, I was daydreaming. Welcome back to DNA's Garage, and today we're going to be working on this puppy right here. We're going to be fixing the train cables, and as you can see, I already took everything apart just because I didn't know what exactly was wrong, but turns out that everything was bad. Cables, handles, just about everything. Seals in the back, that's why we sank. And these are actually, you know, working in good condition. So we're going to install, you're not going to see the removal, but you're going to see the installation, and I think that is very important and better than the removal. So we're going to start from the front and move our way to the back. So we have these holes right here, and we're going to slide our cables through them, and then we're going to catch them on the bottom. Right here. You want to just keep on pulling them. So we just lube that up right there. Oh, see? Nice and good. Look at that. Look at that thing. She ready to go in the water. Then we're gonna lock it down with the screw. Now that she's all lubed up. So now that we get it all through here, we're gonna slide it back over here. Then it's gonna go over through this rubber grommet right there. Let me position myself in a better spot. One cable at a time. Gotta go through here. Here's one of the cables. I shall pass the second one. You done? Nope. There we got the second cable through. Right there. They basically made this dummy proof so you wouldn't be able to get them backwards, but just in case you do get them backwards, the smallest one goes on the right in the throttle side, and the longest one goes in the trim side, which is going to be your left hand. So, and you can see, because if you pull it all the way there, that is tilting the jet nozzle down, which is pushing the cable into the pump, which will turn the pump down. And then if you go all the way up in the trims, it would pull the pump, pulling it up. So here we have a known good cable, and here we found out why our jet pump was not moving, and it's because it's seized. So according to Yamaha, you want to use marine lubricant in here and give it a couple turns, and same thing in the inside, just kind of keep the water from being out there. But this was our main issue. So the cable slides from the outside into the cabin, and you see we have this rubber grommet right here with a couple threads, and there's going to be a nut on the inside. So let's slide it in. So here we have the plastic nut. Just kind of push this exhaust hose out of the way and hold the cable. Then you want to use your non-correct tool and tighten this. Then you want to put this bracket on, which will hold the cable. Oh no! Oh, it's right there. So we're gonna lock down this bracket right here. Then, so we don't keep on forgetting stuff, we're gonna take this little nut right here. Take good care. Oh. Then we're gonna place our pin and there like so. Pop the washer. nut. Then we're gonna grab a 10mm and tighten all of this stuff up. Then we're gonna connect the cable to the jet pump itself. It just has a little spring, and now we verified that it works. So as you can see right here, we have full range of motion, and we weren't having full range of motion, so we had to go and do a little bit of adjustments, because there is a lot of adjustment. There's an adjustment screw in the back next to the pump over here and on both of the cables, so you got to look out for those adjustments and make sure that you're getting the full range of motion on the jet. So as you can see, we're able to go all the way to all the positions and go back to neutral.